Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add or remove recycle bin icon from Windows 11 desktop. For this, click on this one start button, then click settings, then select personalization in the left sidebar. On the right, click on this one themes option, then under related settings, click on this one desktop icon settings. Here if you want to remove recycle bin icon from the desktop, uncheck this one recycle bin option, and in case you want to show the recycle bin icon on the Windows 11 desktop, just check this option and then click on this one apply and then OK button